Hey guys, welcome back to Calixta Beauty. Today's video will be about multi-masking, and I'm going to be using these new masks from L'Oreal. And yes, these are available on calixta.com. And before we start, I'm first going to remove all of this makeup. So now that you have a clean face, you want to make sure that your face is nice and damp, and I'm just going to use a face mist for that. But of course you can always just, when you come out of the shower or after washing your face, just make sure that before you put a mask on, your skin is nice and damp. And I'm just using the thermal spring water from Aven. I am going to start with the anti-pores mask, and this is going to go on my T-zone area because that's where I have oily skin. I tend to become oily in that area throughout the day, and also maybe a little bit on my cheeks because I do have visible pores in that area. Next, I will be applying the hydration mask, and this is going to go under my eyes. Next, I'm going to be applying the Illuminating mask on this area of my face, along the jawline, because this is where I have my acne marks, post-acne marks, so I just want to really brighten that area, and maybe it will help get rid of some of the pigmentation. And I'm just going to apply that to the rest of my forehead.